What is up, everybody? It's the Don with the Don Tech, and welcome to another Don Tech Minute. Should you get an SSD? Of course. Easy answer, yes, do it, 100%, roll credits, we're done, we're out of here. But no, for real, SSDs are fantastic. The cost has come down, the size has gone up, the reliability has been amazing, and the speed is tremendous. You can pick up a 500 gig Samsung 860 SSD for around $100. And I say Samsung because those are the ones I personally use, and I've personally sold to hundreds of people and have not had a single problem with any Samsung SSDs. They've got a 5-year warranty, they're fast, they're reliable, they're inexpensive, and they give you a lot of size. And once you go to an SSD, you're never going to go back. So if you have the option to get an SSD and either do an image or a clone of the existing software onto that SSD, or if you need to do a fresh install or take it to a computer professional, I would 100% recommend it. It is the single best upgrade you can ever do to your computer. But wait, there's more. What if my computer is really old? Doesn't matter. Do it. Yes, there's going to be a certain limitation, whereas the max theoretical read speed is going to be 550 megabytes per second. But if you don't have the latest and greatest tech, you might only be able to get 250-ish megabytes per second, which isn't bad. That's still good. That's a lot better than the theoretical output of a regular mechanical drive that's going to be around 80 to 120. Plus the read speeds, instantaneous, nanoseconds before you get to what you need to find on an SSD versus a mechanical drive that needs to spin up and has that additional read time. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next Don Tech Minute.